We're sharing with you some of the career paths that exist in collision repair. Uh, Individuals can start as an entry-level position in several locations in the shop, and none of these particular positions actually require a ton of training to be able to do them fairly well. When someone demonstrates an interest and demonstrates trustworthiness and a likelihood of success, they may qualify for an apprenticeship program, and we suggest that you put them on that path. The first step would be, do you trust them? Are they dependable? Do they show up every day? Are they respectful? Are they eager? Are they interested? If so, put them through a boot camp. And it's anywhere from a 4 to 8 week program that CCI provides that helps them learn more about the shop, its operation, and how all the pieces fit together to help customers be satisfied and for the shop to make a profit. If they do well in that pre-apprenticeship or that boot camp, qualify them for an apprenticeship program, full apprenticeship. At that point, they can select a track. They may have learned enough during that internship or that pre-apprenticeship to where they see, well, gee, I want to go down the technician track, or I want to become a painter, or I want to become an estimator. I want to work in the office. I don't like doing all the dirty work in the back end. But it all depends on what their area of interest is in the shop. The pre-apprenticeship allows them time to do that and to learn more about what the job entails. It also gives the shop an opportunity of getting a chance to know this person better. Is this somebody you want to invest time and money in over the next couple of years to get them up to speed into a path that they would love? If so, get them started on that path. As they progress from a C level to a B level tech or painter to an A level tech, this is all part of a pathway of success for them. Others can qualify for a management track after that. If they're already performing at high levels as an estimator, they may qualify to become a production manager or a shop manager, ultimately an area manager for a multi-shop. There are great opportunities that exist throughout this industry. We need to help people see the pathway forward for themselves and for the shops.